Mga Mau, mark your calendars. Legend of Ymir Global Launch is happening this October 28, 2025. Bago sumabog ang global stage, pwede ba kayong humabol sa pre-registration? Gamitin yung invite link ko para sabay-sabay tayong pumasok. At habang naghahanda ang mundo ng Ymir, may isang game-changing
Yo, welcome to the grind ko, you know style. Kaya online sa gabi, walang preno, walang chill. Gear up, lock in, kasi pag pumasok si Nulz automatic kill.
Ngayon mga Mau, pag-usapan natin yung partner server auction. Tignan natin yung mga details na pwede nating malaman tungkol dito. The moment you gain operational control, you become a GM and owner. You determine the direction of the server's operations, lead the community, and earn a revenue share up to 15% of monthly net sales. Minimum of $1,000 guaranteed based on your performance. Now, a new legend begins in the world you will create. There are two types of revenue shares: base revenue share and additional revenue share. Please refer to the table below for details. So, ganito kakikita pala dito mga pag nanalo ka sa auction. Kung ikaw ay magiging operator ng server o GM kung tawagin natin, di ba? Yan, dedicated store. Yun, ayun yung mga pwede mong magkakaroon ka ng control, no? Share the revenue from the partner server. A portion of revenue generated through server operation. Activities allocated to the operator as a revenue share. The revenue share is composed of two components: base revenue share and additional revenue share. The following table outlines the applicable structure. So kung titignan nyo to, Mau, ayan, maintindihan mo naman kung paano nag-work at paano ang kikita. Yan mga Mau. Kaya wag nyo kakalimutan. Sa October 28, magla-launch na ang game. Magkita-kita tayo sa Legend of Ymir mga Mau.